In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Hostinger promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, it can be Safari or Google Chrome, and then here in the search box type in Hostinger promo code and then hit on search. It moves you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers free coupon codes. You can open up any of them, and here, for example, I got 10 different coupons. The first one gives me up to 91 off for web hosting services at Hostinger. I can tap right there where it says more details to get some additional information, and then I can tap at show coupon to see them, and next I can hit at that icon to copy it to clipboard. Then I can move to Hostinger website where I can use that promo code before I pay any money. When you enter a promo code, just double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back here and then try to use another promo code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.